Hello friends, I'm Pushpanjali and welcome to my channel Art and Palette. In this tutorial, you will learn about realism, how to sketch realistic portraits, and insights about the skin texture and how to sketch tears. Pain is intrinsic and so are tears. Let's accept and explore them the same way we accept our joys. Here I am marking the positions of our features on the face. If you want to check the position and proportion of the features of our face on our face, please click on the link above. First, we will sketch our eyes. If you want a detailed explanation of how to sketch an eye, you can click on the link above. You can use a fine micro tip 0.5 mm pencil for adding the texture to the skin of the eyelids and the area under the eye by drawing thin parallel lines, crisscross lines. We also use the micro tip 0.5 mm pencil to finely define our eyebrows. If you observe closely, you will find small circles under the eye below the tear duct. Tear duct is the edge of the eye towards the nose. Use the same microtip pencil to form small circles and blend it with a blending stump. Here's a pro tip. For older individuals, you will find dark spots and more lines like wavy, crisscross, straight, whereas for children, there will be fewer lines. This is probably because aging leads to wrinkles. So while sketching children's skin, mostly blending stump is sufficient. For sketching tears, we will first outline the flow of tears. Then darken one side while leaving the other side as it is so as to add highlights to tears. Use blending stump around the region of the tear to make the tear prominent. To further add to the skin texture, use a 0.8 mm white pen and add small dots under the tear duct and wherever you need to add highlights, and then blend it to the skin. Hope you have learned some tips and tricks on how to sketch realistically. Stay tuned for part 2 of this tutorial, wherein you will learn some more tips and tricks on realism. Thank you for watching. If you learn or enjoy watching my tutorials, send me some likes and comments. Do subscribe to my channel for recent updates and do comment in the comment section below on any doubts, queries, suggestion or feedback you have on my videos. Have a great weekend drawing, painting and crafting with me.